Okay, alright everybody, I'm just going to create a video about helping people to set up and use our group pages to stay in touch with everyone. Okay, so I'm currently logged in as test user, and I'm just going to go here to my groups, and then we go to create a group. I'm going to create a new group, just the demo group. That brings us to this page. So then I'll give my group a title, demo group. This is where you do your group description. So demo group, contacts, phone number, whatever it might be if you're a coach. And you can add pictures and things here. You can do all other sorts of fancy things in these editors as well. So you just play with these. They're much like working in a Word document with a few different ones that you'll come across. One of them that you'll use a bit, I would think, from time to time, is adding pictures. So normally when you hit that add pictures, you'll come to, I'll go up here, sorry. You'll come to this page here. Now you can create your own folder, give it a name, and then you can go to that folder and upload your pictures in there. At the moment I'm just using this Avery Groups folder, and I've already got some photos in there, but I will show you how to upload your own. So we've got this drag and drop feature. So I can just go over here and go to pictures, sample pictures, and throw a couple of these in, the penguins, hydrangeas, and desert. There we go. And I'll put my little koala in, I guess. There we go. So I've just dropped those into there, drag and drop, and then you upload. They're decent sized files, so they'll take a few seconds to upload, and then once they all get the green tick, we'll know we're away. It's 2 out of 3, and as far as I know, I don't think there's any limits there. There is size limits, but so now they're all in there. Okay, so what I can do now is choose which one I want to put in this description box. I'm actually going to do, we might do demo button. Alright, so that's the picture I've selected here, see the little tick. And you'll see up here a preview of what that's going to look like in the article. And there's the URL, so you can actually punch in a URL for a picture on the web, but it's better if you upload an actual picture. That way it won't disappear. So you can change sizes, alignment, so see there, once I hit left, the font around it is going to wrap around. I can also set the margin in pixels, which will move the text further away, and I can add a border to it as well. So yeah, I'm happy with the way that looks there, and I'll insert. So there we go. There's my picture in there. If I don't like the look of it once it's in there, I can just hit right click. You can change alignment from there, or you can edit the other properties by picking edit image, and you're back here and you can change your sizes and things. I'll cancel that. You can also just change your size and the size of this box as well if you want it to look. So I can grab that there and just change it, and away we go. Now this bit, I'll leave this as a general category. If it's a team group, you just select team group. Most groups will be open, I would think, unless you're doing the real little ones and you don't want the photos to be seen by everybody or something like that. But these buttons here are the ones I'm suggesting everybody make sure you check them all, so that all your members can upload files, videos, photos, create events, do all that sort of thing. So if you ever get stuck, you can just give someone a call and they can go in and create an announcement and upload things and do whatever else. Okay, so we create group then, and okay, congratulations, group's created. You can edit and use these buttons. I'll upload an avatar, which is just our group photo, and I'll browse here and we'll use our little koala friend. Upload. Okay, so once he's uploaded, there you go, we've now got our little picture in there. So once you can always change your avatar once you've got it in there, and you can see how you can make it bigger, smaller, focus on his nose and his ear or whatever, and save that. Alright, that hasn't updated yet, but it will when we move around a bit. Alright, so just before we go any further, I'll just show you over here. This is where I'm logged in as myself, Anthony Beaton, not my test user. And so I'll go and have a look at all groups. here's demo group. I like the look of that koala, looks interesting. We'll come here and I'll check out the description. Okay, yep, that looks like a group I want to join, so I'm going to join that group. So there we go. Now, just pressing the button once you are joined. There's no pop-up to tell you you've joined, but if you go back to your My Groups, I've now got demo group there, so I am a member of that group. So now, if we go back to our test user, I just want to show you some things. So the other thing you can do is share this button everywhere. So you can share any articles and things on here with Facebook, Windows Live, send it to an email address, whatever you want to do. At the moment, I'll just say, hello everybody. There we go, and I'll share that. And this is called posting on the wall. All you Facebook users will know that. You can upload a photo if you like, a video and events, but I'll do that in a separate video that will come shortly. So what I want to do is go and have a look at announcements now, and I'll create an announcement. So let's just say it's raining, training's cancelled. We go in here and we create a title, training cancelled. Down here again we can use all these features and put pictures in, but at the moment this is just an important message I want to get out. Training cancelled tonight. So that's an announcement. I'll add it. Alternately, we might be after a game on the weekend. We want to create a discussion about the game. How was that game yesterday? There's the discussion title. If you've got photos again, you can whack them in. I thought it was great. And then down here, allow members to upload files if they want, and add the discussion. So there we go, that discussion's added. And the difference between discussions and announcements obviously is down here. You can have an ongoing discussion between the members down here where they can post comments and the like. Okay, so that's there now. Alright, so that's pretty much, and you can go back to group page, and over here as well you've got edit, delete for the group admins. They see all those sorts of things. Alright, so we're back to our group. There's our little guys, and this guy over here. You can see my avatar's updated here. If I refresh my page, which you don't have to do, it does a little job every now and then, but I'll just refresh it so it gets done. And you can see I've now got new notifications here. How was that game yesterday? Discussion, training cancelled. So they come through on the site, but the important thing is that they also come through on my emails. And so sitting here right now, after posting that training cancelled, on my phone is a message saying training's been cancelled. Works exactly like an SMS, only better, because you can add more variety and have better discussions and things like that, and it's just a lot more flexible than any SMS is, and it also doesn't cost anything, and we don't have 30 different coaches sending hundreds of SMSs a week trying to keep people updated. All they've got to do is send one message from here and it automatically goes out to everybody. So essentially that's what the group pages are all about. It's our own little Facebook page in here. It's also, I know some people use Facebook pages for their teams, but why would you not use this when we're one club, we keep everything in-house. People who are members of multiple teams can get their multiple messages on the one page without having to be members of different Facebook ones. Some people don't like Facebook, at least here. Like I said, this is all in-house. So yeah, that's pretty much our group pages. I'll go back to our demo guy, refresh his page. And for the admins, and you can, I'll just do that before I close off too. Our group admins, you get these extra options here, and you also can make, when you look at the members, when you're an admin, Anthony's there, I can set him as a group admin, and so he can now create announcements and everything too. You can send messages to individual members through this back end here, looking at the members. So yeah, it's a really cool little thing that we all need to use. It's going to be so much better for everyone once we keep talking, and you can talk to your players and parents in a really easy format where we can have some banter and discussion in a group type situation. So thanks, hope that helps with setting up and using the groups. I'll now make one about videos and photo albums.